Adding cash or manual payments in Hammock is really easy, and I'll take you through the different ways you can do this. For rental income, there are two main ways to mark a rent payment as paid. For example, if you have a missing or upcoming payment, you can click on the three dots here, select Mark as paid, enter the amount and the date, and hit save. Now please note this will create an actual transaction that will feed your P&L and your tax statement. It will just appear as a manual transaction rather than a verified bank transaction. Equally, you can head to the tenancies page, and if we click on Steve, you can see here that Steve's got a missing payment on the 20th of April. Equally, we can click Actions, select Mark as paid, enter the amount, and hit save. These should only really be used if there's no actual bank transaction, so if you've just been paid in cash, because as you can see here, it feeds through as manual rather than a bank payment. Now, for other expenses or any types of income, you can add them all from the transaction screen. If you just scroll down and just select Add Manual Transaction, from here you can select whether it's an income or an expense. Maybe I paid for a new boiler in cash, so I just add the name, select the date of the payment, enter the amount, enter the category, which in this case would be maintenance and replacement of items. Select the property I want to link it to. If I want to, I can link it to a portfolio instead. Select the payment period and hit save. You'll then see that transaction feeding into your transaction list, as you can see here, as a manual payment.